What's up, guys? Good morning. I am here at Buttonwillow. We're here with Socal Drivers Club today. It's Friday. It's an open track day. Basically a test and tune session, but a lot more expensive. I've got the GT3 with me. You can see it peeking over there. And we're gonna go out right now and see what we can lay down. It's already getting kind of hot. I don't think that I'm gonna be able to hit my goal of even a 47 or anything close to that, but we'll see. Today's gonna be a hot day. The high is 90. Not really ideal for PBs, but yeah, we'll see. I'm running 3 Rs. What else? Yeah, that's the only thing that's the same actually. So everything's the same. Just gonna go out and try and lay some hot ones. Today, I don't think I'm going to be out there doing, 8 laps at a time. I'll probably end up doing about 5 at a time just because it's too hot. I don't necessarily think I'm going to be setting any PBs, so I just don't think that it's worth wearing the tires down for nothing. So, yeah, check back in a bit and see y'all soon. Let me show you what we got in the garage today. GT3, we got Chris's E92. Competition package on E88s, full club sport type spec with the cage, Recaros, GTS center console delete. Pretty nice. He's got the whole Garmin set up too. Got the Mac Daddy, the burger as we call it, 570S. Jason already went off with it. Track's really dirty today. A lot of people are going off. Then we got Casey's F80. Maybe you guys have seen this on my channel, but 6-speed manual, red interior on stealth wrapped mineral gray, I think. Pretty nice. Then we got Nolan's car over here. He just went out. He actually bought Slicer's car, Brett Slicer. And he's out here running a 58 today. He said he hooked up behind me and was able to get a 58. So that's cool. We got Jason's M4. He's getting this ready to go out. Pretty nice. Uncle Ross's E46, always clean, not tracking it though, of course. Check out Jason's wheel. Full club sport type spec with the cage, harness, seat.
normal car.
So just a quick update for you guys. I was able to set a PB. I broke 150 finally, but my GoPro didn't have enough battery to record either of the laps that I hit a 49 in. So unfortunately don't have that. But yeah, went back out, hit a 50.1. It's just too many people are going off and bringing too much dirt onto the track, and it's just getting it's traveling everywhere on the track. All the corner entries are super slick. Your braking zones are super slick right now. And I can't see myself getting another 49 today, but we'll keep pushing. Later in the afternoon when it starts to cool down, maybe we'll be able to get that speed that I had earlier. But for right now, probably just gonna have some fun, giving some buddies a ride, and then driving some different cars. So I'm gonna be driving a G80, gonna be driving a McLaren 570S. What else? The manual F80 as well. I'm gonna try a different couple cars, and hopefully get some footage of those cars to do some videos for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy that. It'll probably drop later this week as well, and go from there. So hopefully we can get another PB, but if not, you'll just see some different footage of some different cars. Wrapping up the day with the boys. What a good one. Got to drive almost everything here.
I just didn't feel like driving home with them. And now you just don't feel like